guys, we are inviting all of foreigners who are looking at full-time job in Japan, because we have the job fair and interview every day in Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagaya. So each day we will be introduced 40 companies. So I will be introduced one of the job position. This is still located in Kanagawa, cleaning job, and interview will be 19th of January at 1 p.m. So salary will be start to 139,000 yen. Daily conversation Japanese level is okay. No need experience. So if you want to give an interview for this job position, or if you need any information about visa or other jobs, you can contact this phone number, or you can visit our office Tokyo or Osaka and Nagaya. So we will give you the free advice of visa and also lunch, and you can visit our company anytime. Thank you so much.